Instruments and instrumentation. Classification of periodontal instruments. Periodontal instruments are classified into two types: mouth mirror, probe, diagnostics, explorer, and cotton tweezer. Surgical instruments. Excisional and incisional instruments, electrosurgical instruments, surgical curettes and sickles, periosteal elevator, surgical chisel and hoes, scissors and nippers, needle holders. Parts of instruments consist of working end, shank, handle, large diameter handles, bumpy texture, easy to hold the instrument, increase tactile transfer, reduce muscle fatigue. Small diameter handles, decrease control, increase muscle fatigue. Silicone coated instruments. Thicker handles will improve grip and easy to control the instruments. Tactile sensitivity will greater. More effective in proximal surface. Teflon-coated instruments used in dental implants without any significant damages. Plain flat surface, most commonly used size 4 and size 5. It produces double images reflecting surfaces in on back surface of mirror lens. Concave surface, it produces magnified images reflecting surface on front surface of mirror lens. Front surface, it produces clear image and no distortion, good image quality. Retraction with indirect vision of opposite side. Periodontal probes used to measure the depth of pockets and to determine their configuration. The typical probe is a tapered, rod-like instrument calibrated in millimeters with a blunt roded tip. When measuring a pocket, the probe is inserted with a firm, gentle pressure to the bottom on the pocket. The shank should be aligned with the long axis of the tooth surface to be probed. Several measurements are made to determine the level of attachment along the surface of the tooth. Types of probe. Marquis color-coded UNC15 probe, WHO probe, University of Michigan O-probe Williams marking, Neighbors probe. CPITN-E, CPITN-C, epidemiological probe and clinical probe. Adaptation. Gentle walk stroke with the digital motion with 10-20 grams of pressure. The probe tip should be kept in contact with the tooth surface. The probe should be parallel to the long axis of the tooth. Probing technique for maxillary molar. Explorer, used to conduct a tactile examination and appraisal of pits and fissures, caries, lesions, smoothness of root surface, presence of calculus on the root surface and margins of the restoration, pointed working, and that is referred to as the explorer. Tip is 1-2 millimeters in length. Only light exploratory strokes are applied to evaluate the surface smoothness. The side of the working end of explorer is used after periodontal debridement to evaluate calculus removal and root surface texture. Types of explorers: shepherd's hook, Colquhoun, 11 to 12 explorer, straight, urban type explorer, curved. Cotton tweezer. Types: self-lock tweezer, corn suture tweezers, Samken tweezers straight, Samken tweezers curved, Addison tweezers, Addison-Kutcher tweezers, bracket holding tweezers, reverse action tweezers, bracket placing tweezers, Addison-Brown tweezers straight, Addison-Brown tweezers curved, anti-static tweezer, mini dressing tweezers, Samken-Taylor tweezers. Use more surgically. Thank you for your attention.